Hi, this is Carl Lucas of the Trevi Group, and I head up the executive search firm for technology professionals. We help companies hire top-performing engineers, architects, and leaders in the IT and infrastructure arenas. And one of our clients is a solid, growing and award-winning IT solution provider in the Northeast region. They have a great company culture. They're focused on the latest data center and cloud solutions. And what they're looking for is a senior data center engineer with hands-on experience in deploying data center solutions and hyper-converged technologies for their enterprise clients in the region. It is a full-time role, 100% remote position, and will focus on implementing the latest emerging technologies like Dell EMC, Unity, VxRail, PowerStore, and Nutanix, Veeam, Cohesity, VMware, vSphere, vSAN, etc. It's a great opportunity to join this highly sought-after team and take your career and compensation to the next level. So if you or somebody you know has this type of background or you'd like more information, please send your resume or that referral to carl@thetrevigroup.com, and I appreciate your consideration. And if you like this position, don't forget to click the like button below and subscribe to our YouTube and LinkedIn channels. Thanks.